Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video, we are going to discuss the recent decision of the Supreme Court of United States regarding Donald Trump's reciprocal tariff policy. We will understand what the court ruled and why this judgment is creating major global economic and political impacts. So in a 6-3 ruling, the court said that the president cannot impose sweeping global tariffs using emergency power under the International Emergency Economic Power Act, because the US Constitution gives the power of taxation and tariff imposition to Congress. This judgment reinforced separation of power, limit executive authority in trading matters. Earlier, under the reciprocal tariff framework, several countries, including India, were facing heavy duties. In India's case, tariff has gone close to 50% before being reduced to around 18% under interim trade adjustment. These high tariffs have made Indian export more expensive in the US market, affecting competitiveness in sectors like engineering goods, textile, and manufacturing. After the court struck down the earlier tariff structure, Trump quickly shifted strategy and announced revised tariffs under Section 122 of the Trade Act 1974. Initially 10% and later around 15% for a limited duration. This means the emergency-based structure is gone, but protectionist trade intent continues through a different legal route. Inside the United States, reactions are divided. Many business groups and democratic leaders welcome the ruling, arguing that unpredictable tariffs shock increased costs for consumers and disrupt supply chain. Some retail groups are even discussing refund claims for previously paid tariffs. On the other hand, Trump and his supporters criticized the judgment and framed it as judicial interference in trade policy. So the issue has now become both a constitutional debate and a political issue. For India, the response has been cautious. The government has stated that it is studying the implications carefully. If effective tariff level reduce compared to earlier burdens, Indian exporters may gain price competitiveness in the US market. However, the sector-specific duties like the steel and aluminium may continue under separate trade provision. So relief is possible, but it is conditional. At the global level, the judgment improves predictability in the international trade, because it shows that even a powerful executive cannot bypass institutional checks. In essence, this ruling shapes US trade authority and opens a strategic window for countries like India to recalibrate their trade approach.